DeSante sources have told us there's even been discussion of bringing in the National Guard. A spokesperson for the health system said she couldn't comment.
Experts say it might not be a bad idea, though, as Jackson County again led the state in new COVID cases today. NBC5's Anthony Carter is live with our top story at 6. Anthony?
Craig, Grace, Jackson County Public Health Director Dr. Jim Shames says more help may be necessary by the outside agencies as hospitals are being pushed to the brink by the Delta variant.
Oregon hospitals are facing a crisis that threatens to eclipse the most severe bed shortages they've faced at any point in the pandemic.
State officials sounding the alarm on a surge of people hospitalized with COVID across the state.
The crisis facing our hospitals stems from a crisis in our communities. COVID-19 is spreading uncontrollably among people who are unvaccinated.
In Jackson County, hospitals postponed many non-emergency procedures in the last few weeks. Now, Public Health Director Dr. Jim Shames says there's more than 100 COVID patients admitted to local hospitals, and about 30 are in intensive care. The hospitals are maxed out, he says, and more help is needed from the state.
You know, if we could get a field hospital and/or the National Guard to help handle this overflow of sick patients.
In a press conference Wednesday, the Oregon Health Authority said it will be mobilizing nurse crisis teams throughout the state. It would also expand patient care workforces so hospitals can operate more beds. The OHA is also working with the Department of Human Services to move some patients to long-term care facilities. There's a shortage of those facilities in the Rogue Valley.
Our role in public health is really to help facilitate that. You know, that's really coming from the hospital systems themselves so that they can be sure they can address their needs.
Today, those beds are much harder to come by, and they'll grow even more scarce if we don't stop the flood of COVID-19 cases.
As the Delta variant spreads, the Oregon Health Authority says it's seeing a spike in vaccinations. Health officials reminded Oregonians that while the steps being carried out by the state may help hospitals, people need to take steps to protect themselves.
The only actions that will stem this fifth and most threatening wave of COVID-19 infections are actions that stop transmission. Wear a mask indoors, and most important of all, get vaccinated.
Allen says the majority of hospital admissions are among younger people. He also adds that a lot of people that are hospitalized with the Delta variant do stay in the hospital much longer than the previous COVID strains, which is something Oregon has yet to see. Live in the newsroom, Anthony Carter, NBC5 News.